Rahul,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What are you?
I'm good, Rahul. So, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Rahul. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, Rahul? So,
Yes,
your studies, then your hometown, and presently what you're doing.
yes. Ma'am, my name is Rahul Goswami. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. Then I completed my 10th in 2018. Then I completed my BTech diploma in civil engineering in 2021. Now, currently, I was pursuing CACM course from CMTI in Bangalore. Now I got placed in a company in
Oh,
Bangalore.
fine. So, how did you get to know about CMTI, Rahul?
I came to know about CMTI from YouTube. Before joining CMTI, I used to watch technical videos in YouTube. Then I came to know about the institute CMTI.
Okay, fine. So, what and all you learned here, Rahul, apart from your complex syllabus? What was the new thing you explored here?
I came to know here about the construction as well as interior. I learned here about the readings of drawings, methodology, sequence of construction, and more than QS, QA, QC. That's all. And interior, I learned about SketchUp, AutoCAD, in Cartist. That's all.
So, coming to your trainers, Rahul, how was Natarajan sir, Gandhi sir, then Srinivasan sir? How was their training? And especially, how was Ashok sir career guidance as well as interview guidance? Can you brief me on that?
तो सर इधर जो सर है बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमको गाइड करते थे कि कैसे इंटरव्यू देना है, कैसे प्रॉपरली कम्युनिकेशन करना है, कैसे ऑन टाइम रहना है, ये सब अशोक सर हमको गाइड करते थे। और नटराजन सर आप ऐसे उम्र में जो उनका डेडिकेशन है काम को, वो हमको बहुत इंस्पायर करते हैं कि ऐसे उम्र में भी वो इतना डेडिकेटेड है। और श्रीनिवासन सर ने पढ़ाने का जो अंदाज है बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए ऑटोकैड में बहुत अच्छा कर पाए हम इधर।
Okay. So, coming to your site visits, Rahul, how was that? So, whether you were attending only construction site visit as well as interiors?
Ma'am, I attended both construction and interior. I visited here in like HMG stones, where I came to know about the types of stones, types of finishes they provide. And I have visited like Victoria site visit, where I came to know about the construction like beam, column, this kind of thing. Then I visited here Fenesta, where I came to know about the types of windows, doors, this kind of. Recently, I visited Asian Paints, where I came to know about the waterproofing, painting, this kind of things.
Okay, so you had a all over explore, right, regarding
Yes,
beams, then site, then
yes,
windows as well as interiors.
yes.
That is good to hear, Rahul. And yeah, coming to your, let me speak about your confidence. We'll start. So before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that, Rahul?
Before joining CMTI, my communication skills were not that good because I was in a particular language like Bengali and Hindi. But here, after joining here, I can speak in English, and my confidence level is also very high because of the teacher, the guided us very well.
Okay. I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy.
Okay, fine. So, yeah, coming to your app, CMTI. So, how was that, Rahul?
The app was very good, ma'am. It helped me to how to crack the interview. There is many lessons that helps me how to crack the interview. The interview can ask you this kind of question. The teacher, the trainer told us how to answer this tricky question. It's helped really, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then, What about CMTI staffs and all, Rahul? How was their overall coordination from
They're
beginning
very
to?
good, ma'am, and they're very friendly. If I had any problem, I told to them, then they will provide me this all.
Okay, fine. Yes. Then Rahul, coming to your opportunities. So is CMTI giving a lot of opportunities?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Rahul?
I want to say them one thing: before joining any company, you have to learn about the construction requirements. You have to upgrade your skills. So this is one of the best institute you can ever upgrade your skills.
So everyone should have the basic knowledge, right?
Ah, yes, ma'am. This is main thing. Basic is
Oh,
important.
okay. Okay, Rahul. Thank you so much for your feedback.
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
hope all the best for your future, Rahul.
Thank you.
I want to see Rahul in a very good height. And once again, congratulations for your placements, Rahul.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you.